Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare custom loop versus AIO cooling solutions. We'll dive into the fundamental distinctions, exploring how each system manages heat within your PC. You'll gain insights into their respective performance capabilities, including both advantages and limitations. By the end, you'll be equipped to make an informed decision, considering factors like installation, ongoing maintenance, and overall cost, ensuring you pick the best cooling for your needs. Custom liquid cooling excels in thermal performance, often achieving CPU temperature reductions of 10 to 15 degrees Celsius over even the best AIOs. This allows for more aggressive overclocking and quieter operation. You also get unparalleled aesthetic control, choosing your exact tubing, coolant, and block designs. However, the initial investment is substantial, and installation can be a multi-hour endeavor. Furthermore, regular maintenance, like coolant flushes every 6 to 12 months, is essential to keep your system running optimally. All-in-one coolers shine in their simplicity and value. Installation is remarkably straightforward, often completed in under 30 minutes, making them ideal for new builders. They deliver a strong balance of performance and affordability, providing excellent cooling for the vast majority of users. Maintenance is also minimal, typically involving just occasional dusting of the radiator. While their cooling capacity might not reach the absolute peak of a custom loop, they offer a fantastic plug-and-play solution with good reliability and a clean aesthetic. Deciding between a custom loop and an AIO depends entirely on your priorities. If you demand the absolute best thermal performance, extensive aesthetic customization, and plan to cool multiple components, a custom loop is your answer, despite its higher cost and complexity. However, if ease of installation, a lower initial investment, and minimal maintenance are paramount, an AIO is the superior choice. Both options provide substantial cooling upgrades over traditional air coolers, often dropping temperatures by 20 to 30 degrees Celsius, ensuring your system runs cool and stable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.